Greetings everyone. This is my third video in React series. Before that I have covered basic introduction of React and how we can run React project without any installation or pre-setup. So you can go here and access these videos, and also I have created a playlist for this, so all upcoming videos I am going to add here only, so you can easily access that videos. So let's begin today's topic. So today's topic is about to the environment setup of React. These are the pointers which we are going to cover under this video. So first would be installation of Node and Node package manager, which is NPM. Then we will see code editors, and after that we will see how we can create our React app, first app. Then I will ask one interview question on the basis of this, and also I will answer the last interview question which I have asked with you. So first point is how we can install Node and Node package manager. This is a very simple and straightforward. Just what we have to do, we have to go to the Node. Okay, we can search it from any web browsers. In my case I am using Chrome. So here is the first links, which is Node.js. This is the official website of Node. You can simply go here and click on the download. So after that you can see this UI will be open, and according to your operating system you can see here your operating systems. Like I am using Mac, so in my case it is showing Mac, but if you are Windows user or Linux user it will show here. And also here is the option of to select the versions. In my so my recommendation always go with the long term support, so because it is currently released version 23, right? So might be there should be some fixes or compatibility, so my recommendation is always go with the long term support. Let me just install this one. After clicking on this button, installation will be started and it will take some time, depends on your internet speed. So in my case it has been installed, and after that once you can open this folder from your folders, otherwise you can simply click from here as I open. And after that this will show the introduction. This is the basic information about your Node version and no NPM. After that also you can see the path. Then we need to just hit on the continue button. After that again continue. It will show one pop-up with agree and disagree message. We can proceed with the agree as we are trusting on this. Then after that installation type, so you can change here from here your location. Okay, then next install. It is asking for password, so let me enter my password. Yeah, now installation has been started. It will take just 1 minute to install. Yeah, it has been installed. Let me close this. After it I will go to the terminal. So for Mac I am using terminal, but in your case you can use command prompt or command line. Okay, so let me just check the version. Yeah, it is showing previous version because I have downgraded for one of my project. Let me just upgrade it. NPM install 22. In my machine it was already there, that's why. But if in case of you, if you are installing first time, then here it will show the Node version 22 which we have installed. Okay, let me check it again. What is the version now showing? It is now showing v22, and let me see the npm version to, yeah, it is showing 10.9.2. so both are different in the version, so this is not ideal, it can be same, so it is fine. Now I will create one folder for this to create our first React app. Let me just check. I'm going to that folder which I have created for this YouTube series for React. I'm going to that. After that, I will use one command to create folder, and using that command we can create any folders or files in our system. So this is mkdir. I will give the name of this folder d3. I will go to that file d3. Then I will use the command to create our first file, first React application, npx, then create React app. So let me hit. So npx is used to create our application. Sorry, I haven't given the file name, so this is showing the error. Let me just give the name of that file. Let's suppose I am giving the name of first app. Okay, now it will be start. Okay, so npx, why we are using npx instead of npm? Sometimes we have seen many developers using this command, npm create React app, then the name of your project. Okay, so npx, it's avoids the installing the package globally, so it is only respective to that application, and also it ensures that you are always using the latest version of create React app. Okay, and also if it is not installing the package globally, then it keeps your system clean by not leaving unnecessary tools installed globally, right? So it has been installed. It is showing one error for the testing library. Let me just go to that file, my first app. Okay, so we can run our project using this command line, npm start. Now it has been started. By default it will show run our project into this 3000 port. It is throwing error. Why it's throwing error? This is a web vitals which is used for performance check, because of compatibility of this version with the web vitals. So how we can fix that? Also, while we are developing our project, we are not using this web vitals. Let me just open this folder where we have created our project. I will drag here. Yeah, okay, now here we can see the folder structure, node modules, public, src, and then git ignore, package log.jsn, package.jsn, all these files. So in this video I'm not going to cover all the details regarding this folders, but but I am going to cover all the details in detailed manner in upcoming videos. As of now, just I will resolve that error which is showing for web vitals. Yeah, so in src, yeah, this is report web vitals, and it is imported into the index.js. So we can fix this using command npm install web vitals. Let me just show you, is this showing into the package.json? It is not showing, that's why it is showing an error. So let me just install it. Yeah, git is not found. For 1 second, I'm giving npm install vitals. It should be web vitals. I have written here vital only, that's why it was giving error. So now you can see it has been installed in package.json. For sure, I am going to let you know all the details regarding this package.json, which is very important file in React. But for now, stay tuned. We are just going to check how our first project will show after running. So let me just enter this command to start and run our project again. Yeah, you can see that error has been now gone. So now it is working fine, right? So this is the way we can create our React app and run that project. Okay, and in the last video I have asked about the npm. What is npm, why we use npm? So npm stand for node package manager, as I mentioned earlier, and it manages the packages of node. Okay, so how it's managed? When you go to the node modules folder, you can see all the packages. Like, let me show you packages for React. There are lots of packages and dependencies here. You can see React and React DOM is also present here. So it's manage all the packages from here and dependencies of that packages. So let's suppose we require any other dependencies for Google Map, or we want to apply form validation in our project. So how we can do that? We can simply go to the terminal and just write npm install, then the name of the package. Okay, so we can install like this way. We will see in upcoming videos. Just I wanted to let you know how we can do that. And another use of using npm while we are pushing our code into the production, right? So you can see here spaces and name, big names, and also there are spaces. So npm used to create our project into a single build while we are pushing our code into the production. So size of the project also minimized, and also any developer cannot easily understand because it is minified build of our complete project. As then it provides a bit of security, right? I hope you guys are understanding. But in case if you are facing any challenges or any issue during the installation or setup, you can comment me. I surely reply on that. And thank you so much for watching this video. And I will meet up with the new videos and new topics in upcoming days. Until then, bye bye. Thank you. Take care.